moon, bloodshot eyes, and vodka-filled throats, hoping God will listen, hoping pretending will save us. This is holding hands and catching stars and reading palms. This is kissing 359 times. This is convincing each other that we belong in the basement of our rib cages, flying with the butterflies we reserved for days we'll see each other again. We belong in the stretch marks of our smiles, in the downtone of our laughs, in the gaps between our toes. We belong to remind ourselves that we have the audacity to love again. This is breathing courage down our spines, letting our breaths rip our hearts from our chests just to pass it on to each other. This is our bloodshot eyes bleeding love, and this is forgiveness. This is bridging the future to the edges of our hips, tying four-leaf clovers to the tips of our elbows, to the bent of our knees, to the roof of our toenails, to parts of us we never have to give away. This is our secrets hidden beneath eyelashes, promises drenching under tongues, roads drawn in the hallway of our chest. We drove over the holes and cracks, letting the pitter-patter of our hearts breathe our scars. We pretended this is love. This is us pretending. This is thinking, 4 minutes, you had a good one. Any second now, this minute will pass. To the boy who jaywalked his way into my heart, there has been silence. Thunder pupils and car-crashed rib cages, this is what is left of us. This is being alive. We are not who we used to be. We are moon kisses, and our fingers are stars bending into fists. If only these crippled hands could write their way into giving you one more chance. If only these hands had the strength, I would rip every last memory of you from my cheekbones. I would undress my pride and let every one of your touches claw its way out of my skin. Boy with rusty palms and bloody knuckles. Nights that night fought with itself. We became undone knots going nowhere but inside ourselves, and our promises became tangles I couldn't run my fingers through. Instead, I pierced my fingers in silences, lingering in stretch marks between us. I was still holding on. I tried finding God in alleys you left me in, but God smelled like my dad. I guess that is why I stopped believing. My love, this is speaking you into butterflies, but you flew with broken wings. You never came back. But you left souvenirs like your smile, and you still visit me in daydreams, slipping into my dreams and staining my thoughts. I can't help but wake up to the idea of you like you still belong. This is what is left of us. This is finally breathing. This is holding our joints and veers like they were a part of us, becoming open-mouthed poets and empty-lung junkies and passions, trying to find what it means to be alive. We tell each other we are sunsets, dying too quickly, and shadows fooling our souls that we are worth sticking behind. You became a dandelion, losing its mind, and I choked on your seeds as I wished for the things you couldn't give. This is what we became, extending breaths, thinking maybe I will inhale a part of you can never take back. This is losing parts of us we will never get back as we allowed our scars to fall in love. Boy who jaywalked his way into my heart, I lost empty hearts and reckless palms, gambling words I long savored for you, and I ran out of fingers, turning words and phrases over, trying to put together a poem or two just to convince you that I am worth it. This is breaking mirrors with heavy fists, stitching the remaining glass in my eyes, knowing the next time you look at me, you will see reflection, and maybe then you will see that part of me inside you that you can never take back, and you will call it even, but I will call it love. You told me this is happiness. So this is pretending. Our lips hold universes. We stapled smiles on our ceilings. I wrote my poems on the back of your neck, held my tired hands in front of your eyes, curved my words against your pupils. I let you discover who I really am. This is what was left of us. This is what we became. This is being alive, you tell me. Smoking each other's words only to catch ourselves choking on perished endings and coughing kisses afraid to burn our lips. I never told you, boy with dented soul, but I found a piece of you reflected in the corners of the person I used to be. Like cheap red lipstick, you were smudged on the alignment of my smile, and nights like these, nights rockets ate our stars and our pillows imprinted expiration dates on our dreams. We learned our way out of each other, and you made me believe that maybe we were better off as strangers. So this is us pretending. To the boy who promised to waste his life loving me, this is me barring your heart and in return giving you my skin. No, I would give you my heart if I knew where it was. No, I would sacrifice all my poems for you, thunder pupils and car-crashed rib cages. This is what is left of us. This is what is left. This is being good enough. This is being alive. This is moving on. This is breathing. Thank you.